Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to stop WhatsApp from automatically downloading images on your iPhone. This is super helpful if you're tired of your phone storage filling up with random pictures from group chats or contacts. So first, open your WhatsApp app and go straight to the bottom right corner where it says Settings. Once you're in Settings, tap on Storage and Data. Now, under the Media Auto Download section, you'll see options for photos, audio, videos, and documents. Go ahead and tap on Photos. By default, it might be set to Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi and cellular. What you want to do is select Never. That way, WhatsApp will no longer download images automatically. If you want to take it further, you can also change the settings for videos, audio, and documents the same way. Just tap each one and choose Never, so nothing downloads without your permission. And that's it! You've learned how to stop auto-download of images on iPhone through WhatsApp. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more easy tech tips. See you in the next one.